What if I told you that you could make about that $1,000 per month from the comfort of your home selling t-shirts cases that require little to no skills to create, easy to execute with the help of AI technology, and has the potential to change your life forever? Well, in this video, I'll be introducing you to one of the easiest business models to start today, which is print on demand. I will go over the entire process of the business model from on explaining what the business concept is to show you example of shops like these, and then creating the product. Get started. Alright, let's get down to business concept. How do you go from an idea to a money-making? There are two paths you can take. First, you can manually study your competitors on platforms like Etsy, analyze their listings, images, product descriptions, and customer reviews. This will give you insight into what's working and what's not. Armed with this knowledge, you can create something even better that stands out in the crowd. The second method, my preferred one, use chat to automate idea generation. For example, I requested ChatGPT to provide giving 3 ideas: fishing logo, t-shirts ideas. They're new AI features that are super awesome. AI will help you bring out the best in your designs no matter what your skill level is, from creating eye-catching merch designs to stunning social media posts and logos and posters. Kittle AI will help you elevate your designs to a new level. And nope, I'm not getting paid to say that using Kittle's new AUE tool. Just type in any prompt you can think of, and Kittle will provide you with a beautiful piece of art. You can create vector icons to use with logos and labels and easily change the color with one click. You can create merge designs using their cool clip art styles. You can remove the background with just one click. They even have mock-up templates you can use to show off what your design. So let's do that now. Kittle is one of my all-time favorite print-on-demand tools. They are kind of an all-in-one suite that has everything from templates to a bunch of different graphics and design features to use to create t-shirts and other print-on-demand items, as well as some really cool new AI features that let you create one-of-a-kind stickers, t-shirts, anything you can think of. They can help you create that. So I've been loving and using Kittle for a long time. That's why I'm super excited that they're sponsoring today's video. I will have all their information on creating an account linked down below. So I just logged on to Kittle, and what I like to do when I do come up with a design using their AI features, I always like to kind of start with something to begin with. So I'm going to just take a look at some of their different templates, see if we can't find one of these that is going to work well. So this could be a good option. What is printed demand? Printer demand is an e-commerce business model that involves working with the print provider like Principal, who provides a way to wide label products like Morg's t-shirts, gold cases, where you will place your designs and then list these products on Etsy, on your Etsy shop. And anytime you make a sale, Printifier will print, delete, package, and ship this product to your customers without you touching any of these products or keeping a stockpile of inventory. You may be wondering how Printifier knows when you make a sale. So 25 integrates seamlessly with Etsy shops, making the whole process very easy. Thank you if you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future video.